ama-players eKaizer bafethu aphelelwa ama-contract kule season. Siyawabona bafethu-ke. Umbuzo-ke niyawazi. Isida aka-renew noma akahambe. Yabo. Siqala nje laphana ngoBruce Vuma. Bruce Vuma bafethu siyamazi ugoalkeeper wethu oyiluntunjana oyi-second choice laphana emapalini. Yabo. Sibe noBrandon Peterson. uBrandon Peterson-ke uyena goalkeeper njengamanje oyi-first choice yethu. Yabo. Njengamanje in 10 games una-7 clean sheets. Yabo. Njengamanje wena goalkeeper who's doing very good kwiKaizer Chiefs. Yabo. Size ngoZitha Kwinika. uZitha Kwinika naye bafethu ngesizini ephelele ngawathola ngamagame amangako. Kodwa kule season hayi bafethu amona mubi. He has done an incredible job lapha emuva. Uvalile ngqi lapha emuva uZitha Kwinika bafethu. Uperforma kahle kule season. Yabo. Size kuDylan Solomons. No Solomon same thing. Lapha emuva bafethu so far he has been performing very good. Last season nayo bengekho kahle lesasikhala besibanjwe uFrozler. But kule season le ukwazile ukubench uFrozler. Yabo. Nabanye abadlala nabo kulela side. So nayo uDylan Solomon bafethu has been doing very good kule season le. Yabo. Size kuGustin Sirino. I think lapha ku number 10 position hayi bafethu uSirino lihle iqiniso. He is our best number 10 as now. I'm not taking anything away from Mdudu Shabalala. Mdudu Shabalala is a good player angiphiki lokho. Yabo. But uSirino experience mfethu uhlakaniphe kakhulu uSirino bafethu. Yes, sengakubakho lokho phela ukuthi usemdala. Yes, mhlawumbe akasakhona ukugijima kangako njenge igazi lakhe lisashisa njengeyintwana oMduduzi, but make wangena bafethu that player is very intelligent. uSirino uhlakaniphile bafethu. Make wangena wenza ama moves yabo ayingozi ngempela lapha phambili. And usengenile 2 times I think nje kuma game ethu2 esigcina ukwadlala uphume nama assist because Sirino is very smart bafethu siyamazi. And uGeorge Mahlowa ukuthi ngoba uGeorge Mahlowa bafethu angisakhumbuli noma wasayina unyaka owodwa nomani, but I think nayo ngicabanga ukuthi bezoba kufanele bekhona lapha, but I'm not sure. Ngifuna uqamba I'm not sure ukuthi wasayina ilo nethini uGeorge Mahlowa. Yabo. But ke umbuzo la niyawazi bafethu. Nithi mupho nithi aka renew imupho nithi cha sesiyabonga service yakhe akahambe. Niyawazi umbuzo cause nation